Alright, so I'm set up here with my Dremel workstation. As you can see, I have it tilted to the side, which is one of the features that you're able to do with this station. So, um, to start out, I take the tape here and I'm going to measure out about 5 inches. It's going to end up a little bit shorter than that just because of the grinding and everything. I'm measuring backwards here because my tape measure here broke. So I'm just going to mark it here with a Sharpie. So that's 5 inches there. And then again, like I said, I have my water set up here. The water is very, very important so your metal doesn't get too hot. You can quench it after you're done just to maintain the flexibility of the metal. So I'm going to turn this on here and we're going to cut a piece off. Alright, so we have our piece of metal there and I quenched it in the water. It's nice and cool. Everything's looking good. So that's where we're going to start there. We have our piece of metal and I'm going to go ahead and take another break here and get everything set up, and we're going to start grinding and show you how to get the basic layout here. So I will be right back.